To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell and you'll be notified of new videos as they are produced. Hi everybody, today we're at the High Desert Museum just outside of Bend, Oregon, and this is my first real video with my new GoPro 7. So we're going to be going inside the entrance here, and it hopes to be a really nice day. We'll see you there. Carol's here. Hi, Carol.
Hi.
You're going to actually be in the video? So what are we looking at here?
A teepee?
Yeah. A teepee, and this is the, what do we got? Indians.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, wow. Look at that. This is, that's a lot of quilts there. Reclaimed wool blankets and paper tags. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oy, oy, oy. How did they stack those like that? Let's try to push them over. So here's a teepee. Looks like kind of a fancy, nice inside there, though. I mean, it's sort of like a modern teepee. Made out of tulle mat, so made out of reeds. Assayers, or those are guys that that weigh gold and pay you for it. So this is where the people would get paid for gold. So now we're at the Newberry National Volcanic Monument, and the visitor center is closed, but you can still walk up some of the trails. And so we're going to take a walk and look at this volcanic cinder cone here. So it's right over there. See? You can walk up to the top of it. Well, yeah, you can. That's 1.75 miles. So we made it up to the top of this little hiking path, which is called the Phil Brogan Viewpoint. And so we can see Mount Bachelor. Somewhere, I don't see Mount Bachelor. Tumalo Mountain, South Sister, Broken Top, Middle Sister, North Sister. So, here we are. Wow. That lava field. They said it's 100 feet deep, and it happened in what, year 7,000?
years ago.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jeez. Wow. But I think you can actually drive up to the top, unless you want to walk up there.
I'm gonna pass.
Okay.
You can tell me how it is.
Yeah. But wow, this is really a cool place to go. So now we're walking back down the hill, and in real time. But I'm not going to shoot video the whole way down. But we're very lucky to be up here all by ourselves, middle of October, and it's about 65 degrees, and no rain, no snow, no nothing, no people. Can't beat that.